Hello again, you join me in my shed. A while back I made some videos on magnets in my workshop. One of them was the magnet that goes onto a camera bracket or a phone, and I can fix that wherever I like in these little washers that I've set up all around the shed. And also magnetic strips that I put on my tool wall. Well, I've just bought some different magnets that I think will help me out in the workshop. So I've just bought these tiny little magnets. You see them? All round magnets. Pop off individually. There we go. Come on a stack like that. I'll put the link below. Bought them from Amazon. But apart from the fact they're a real stress reliever, you can open them at any point and they always join up. So the reason I got them, I want to use them so I can stick them onto a work surface or a surface somewhere in the workshop, and I can stick things to them that are metal. Also, I've got a project coming up soon, I'm going to do a video on it. I'm going to be using these magnets, if it works that is. But also I want to use them for cupboard doors, so if I could either stick one of these magnets on the door and a bit of metal to attach it, or I could just use two of these so they can get a much stronger fit. Little brush there for when I'm dusting out the bottom of the bandsaw from around here, and then metal just there. There we go, perfect. And again, I can use that on my pillar drill as well. Let's test the weight capacity of these magnets, see what they can take. So I've just got this empty water bottle, put a bit of cord around it, and at the end of the cord I've put a bolt and a nut, with a nut right to the end of the bolt. And the underside of this shelf, I've just glued a magnet with super glue and the activator spray. So let's have a look, see if it goes on okay. There we go. So now let's fill the bottle up with water. Near enough. So okay, I've got these old scales. I can't find any better at the minute, but they'll do for this job. Let me just calibrate it so it's at 0. There we go, set to 0. So let's just pop it on. Just over 500 grams. Let's say half a kilo. So okay, let's try a magnet on the end of the bolt and see if that doubles the force. A bit of glue on the end of this bolt. I'll just make sure the polarity of the magnet's the right way around, or it's going to repel it. So I'll just check on the other magnet first. Okay, so that's the right way around. Okay, there we go. So magnets against a magnet. Contact. Overflow. Whoa. Right, let's weigh that. Yeah, just under 1100 grams or 1.1 kilos. And then going by the magnet theme, I've also got one of these, which is a magnetic tool wristband. I've had one of these for a while. I don't know how good they are yet. This one's like an orange black, it matches my watch. Okay, so it opens up Velcro. So I think with something like this, if I want to attach screws or posi bits or drill bits, whatever, it wants to be on my right hand because I'm right-handed. I'll be using the tool with my right hand, so then the left hand can grab it. Okay, so that's in place. Let's get a few screws and see how it works. Not super strong, but they hold. In fact, they stick. Look at that. It works. Grab with your left hand, and then using whatever tool it is with your right hand, say drill. Say some sockets. Well, they hold, they're not moving. They're not particularly strong though, it doesn't take much force, but I suppose it's just enough to hold them in place. They ain't going anywhere. Again, I'll put the link below. Drill bits. That's a fairly, it's about a 10mm drill bit there. It's holding. The other reason I got these as well was in case I want to use something I want to fix to here that's not metal, say plastic or whatever, and then I can use one of these, just stick one of these little dots on the plastic tool, for example, and then stick it to there. In fact, let's just see how strong that is. Oh yeah. Ooh, straight back onto that. So satisfying. Okay, so I think I'll leave that magnet there for the time being because I'll be putting some more magnets around just to fix more tools up there. Socket, wire brush, let's see if it goes on its end. Yeah, look at that. I bet with the bag now it's going to, yeah, there we go. So I've got one cupboard door here that just springs open when it wants to. So I'm going to put a little magnet at the bottom, put a bit of glue just here. Stick them on there. While I'm holding it, get the activator. Then put a bit of glue on the other side, on the other magnet. Shut the door, and then give it a squirt from underneath. What I should really do is drill tiny little holes just to recess the magnets, but this cupboard door sits too far back anyway, so it's okay for me. That should be set now. One is stuck to the back of the cupboard door. That one's stuck on there. Close it. That'll do. What I could do, since I've got these washers screwed all around the workshop, I could use them to fix a drawing or a diagram or a cutting list or whatever too. So if I get one of the magnets and pop it on there, just the job. Or even better, stuck to some dowel and drawing or whatever, or notes up there, put that on there and take it off a bit easier. Just to say, it's got little pockets on here as well, so you can pop things in there, click it in. Probably a bit too much glue there. So the size of them, 10mm, and they're around 2mm thick. Perfect. If you're interested, this is the glue I use, the super glue, and then the activator. If I didn't have a clip on this pillar drill, then I could put a magnet on this part here and then stick my chuck key to it. This is how they come packed when they're delivered. magnets together, 2 plates at the end, and then they just slot it into this carry case. There we go. Be ideal for doing felting on shed roofs. Also, you've got a bit of paper with cut list or whatever, pop it on there. So there we go, magnets in workshops. I think they're a great asset. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this, especially doing work around the house and the garden, put screws on there, drill bits, whatever. So there's little magnets as well. I think the possibilities for them are endless. So thanks for watching, take care, cheers.